Hi, I'm Trudy Brewer, editor of Beauty EQ, and today I'm going to share with you why I use Estée Lauder's Advanced Night Repair. So I like things that I can slot in and out of a routine. I'm a bit of a cherry picker through my job as a beauty writer. I get to try a lot of things, but there are things that are staple that I use every day that just deliver on their promises and work. I use A&R every morning, so after cleansing and at night before I put on a night cream. And I often use it if I'm going out to a function at the end of my day. I'll put a few drops into my foundation and I use it just to give my skin that radiance and firmness and that kind of dewy glow that you lose after a day of feeling stressed. I actually really can't remember. It must be 25 years. I've been a beauty writer for at least that long, and that's how I was introduced to the product. But it's just fitted into my routine at every stage and age of my life. You know, even when I had little kids, I used to use it. Now I've got teenage kids, I find I'm using it even more. So yeah, it's always been in my routine. And I think I've interviewed a lot of women in my career, beauty obsessed women who love looking after themselves, and it's in their routine as well. So it's just one of those cult beauty products that women in the know love and use. I have put a lot of women onto it, and women of all ages. I mean, the young women that work with me at Beauty EQ, as well as my friends and my sister and my aunt, you know, people that are looking for a product to deliver. I often say try it, and 9 times out of 10 they will keep buying it. They love it.